And then I'm going to be sharing with you what this tool is and how it works so that you can go over there and do the same thing and make the same amount of money, if not more. Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and on this channel we help you learn how to make money online the legit way so that you don't waste a lot of time messing around with scams on the internet. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now in this video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you two powerful methods that we've never talked about on this channel before. So I need you to watch the whole video so that you don't miss out on any, important information, because a lot of times we post a video and then you skip certain parts of it and then you don't understand how it works. So if you want to know how to make money online in Kenya using this specific method that I'm about to share with you, make sure that you watch the whole video. However, I have put timestamps down in the, description box below so that you can skip to different parts of the video, maybe if you want to watch it a second time. So without wasting too much of your time, let us get started. Now, as you already know on here, on our channel, we always say that in order for you to make money online, you need a skill, a product, or a service. And most people don't have a skill, a product, or a service, especially if you are a newbie. And so if you are new to making money online and you want to make, that first $5, $10, then one of the things you could do is become a freelancer. Now, this is one of the best and easiest, business models when it comes to making money online in Kenya. Now, when I say freelancing, a lot of people might be thinking that, I'm talking about articles or I'm talking about content writing, but freelancing actually means that you're trading a skill that you have for money. All right. So I'm going to be teaching you a specific skill, which is super easy to learn, and you won't need, a lot of technical background in order for you to do this. Basically, if you can tie your shoes and if you know how to play around with the mouse, you can be able to do this. So the first thing that you are going to need to do is have a Fiverr account. So basically what Fiverr is, if you haven't watched our previous videos, this is a platform that allows service providers to meet up with clients that are looking for specific services. So one of the things that we realized is that a lot of people go over to Fiverr and they're offering the same services. And so there's a lot of services that are saturated. And if you are a newbie, you need to be making sure that you're looking for a service that you can offer which is not so saturated by many people. And by saturated, I mean thousands of people are doing things like graphic design, thousands of people are providing content. And so one of the things that you can offer on Fiverr is providing subtitles and captions for videos. Now, if you don't know already, a lot of videos today are being watched on mute because video is basically something that people are watching every single place. People might be watching it on a subway, people might be watching it on a bus, and sometimes there's just a lot of noise in the background that makes it next to impossible to hear what the person is saying in the video. And so captioning is basically where you are paid some money to create subtitles like the ones you're seeing on the screen right now, to make it easier for the audience to read what is being said in the video. Now, if the video is super long, this can be quite taxing and it can be super difficult for somebody to create these subtitles, from scratch if they have to listen to the entire video and type them out. However, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a super powerful tool that you can use to, basically create subtitles for you, and you don't have to do any work at all apart from, basically uploading the video to this platform and changing up a few things. So we're going to dive into my computer here, and I'm actually going to be sharing with you what people are making on Fiverr with this particular gig. And then I'm going to be sharing with you what this tool is and how it works so that you can go over there and do the same thing and make the same amount of money, if not more. So when you head over to Fiverr, what you're going to realize is that there are relatively fewer number of people providing the subtitles and captions gig to clients. As you can see here, it says 2,667 services available, and this is relatively lower compared to other gigs that you will find on this platform. So this guy's starting out at $5. There's somebody else starting out at 10. There's somebody else starting out at $30. And you see here that they've already gotten 38 reviews, which means they're making a good amount of money. There's somebody here who is a level 1 seller that starting out at $50, and they've already gotten 22 different reviews. So basically what video captions are is, like I've shared with you, those subtitles that you see at the bottom of the screen when a video is playing. Now, the tool that you're going to be using is actually known as Zubtitle, and I'm going to leave that link in the description box below so that you can go ahead and check it out. This is what their landing page looks like, and what you are going to do is actually create an account by signing up. And once you do that, then this is where you will land on their page. So essentially what you need to do here is, I'm going to click on this video so that you can see a sample of what this looks like once you are captioning. To the right here, you will see all the words that have been pulled out of the audio by this specific tool. As you can see here on the right, you will also be able to rearrange these words and also edit what didn't quite come out correctly during the captioning process. So once you've created an account with Zubtitle, you are going to realize that they have a really user-friendly interface that will make it super easy for you to create your captions in videos. One of the things that I love about this tool is the fact that it allows you to select the language that is being spoken in the video, which is really amazing, because on Fiverr, they will actually pay you more if you are able to transcribe, or if you are able to create captions in different languages. And so basically this is how this tool works. Once you've gotten your videos all set, you can actually edit the parts that don't come out quite correctly, and it's always good to listen to it again and to make sure that everything is working correctly. Something else that you will be able to do with this tool is create a progress bar, which is super awesome for those Instagram videos that people love watching, because it helps people know how long a video actually is. So that is the first service that you can offer on Fiverr. Now, the second service that you can offer on this platform is creating intro and outro videos for people. Now, most YouTubers, if you've watched their videos, have an intro, sort of something like this, that usually appears before the video begins. And sometimes you will also see an outro video, also something like this, that appears when the video is about to end. So this is a really easy Fiverr gig that you can create without necessarily having to have a lot of experience or any prior experience or even technical skills to do this, because there is also a tool that will allow you to do precisely this without having to go through much trouble. So the tool that I'm talking about is known as Invedieo, and all you will need to do is set up an account with them like you are seeing on your screen right now. And once you've set up that account, you simply need to search for different templates. So as you can see here on the screen right now, they have different templates for intros, and they also have different templates for outros. So you can basically pick whichever template that looks good for you. And once you've selected the template, then all you will have to do is do some little edits here and there. And after you are happy with what you have, then you will simply download that and send it over to your client. A lot of times people actually fail on Fiverr, not because they don't have the skills to offer, but because they don't know where to get started. And so once you know which skills you want to offer or the services that you want to offer on Fiverr, like I've shared here with you, and you know the tools that you're going to be using. Next, you need to know how to write a Fiverr gig description. And this is basically what tells the buyer, or what tells the client what your gig is all about, so that you can start making that money. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably newbies and you don't know much about Fiverr and you don't know much about freelancing. So I'm leaving a free course linked down in the description box below. Make sure you check out that first or second link. It's going to take you to a place where you can learn everything about becoming a freelancer on Fiverr, how to get your clients, how to write your gig descriptions, and all of that good stuff. That is all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because it helps us out getting it to a wider audience. And I will see you in the next one.